hinge up that side. This lowers down. Loosen that several times, and you don't need to remove it. Remove this bolt entirely. Even if your spare wheel doesn't need changing, soak these in WD, try and get them out, absolutely smother them in copper grease before you put them back in, because you'll probably find on an old caddy you can't get these out. They've already rusted into place. If you can get them out guys, even if you don't need it now. Cover that in grease, copper grease really. This one's loosened off, lift it up, push it to one side, and down it all comes. Slide your wheel out. Taking this one out because it's bald, it's no good. Not going to change it. We've done lots on this van, we'll tell the owner, the buyer. But I'm taking it out so that it passes its MOT, because it'll pass without it, but it won't pass with it. Strange as that seems. And then we'll refit it all and grease those brackets.